Okay, so let's talk about the auto scroll on Twitter. Can you turn it off? What are the settings you have available with this, and so on? Let's get started. First of all, some people have a specific setting available on their Twitter. I personally do not, but I've read some discussions about some people seeing it on their phone. Basically, you open any Twitter video full screen and you can try tapping the gear icon. If you can see an option called Auto Advance, then make sure to turn it off. However, if you don't see this, there are some other things you can do. Make sure you are still inside the Twitter or X app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture and head over to the settings of the app. What you can do now is to head over to the accessibility section, and under there you can find Reduce Motion, which is supposed to disable some unnecessary animations inside the app, so you can do that if you wish, or you can also click right below it and turn off the video autoplay. You can choose if it's only applicable on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi plus cellular, or it can also be set to never. So try it out to see if it makes any difference. I mean, it definitely should. So let me know down below in the comments if you found this video helpful. But for now, thank you for watching.